Yes, I'm Roman and I'm Jamaican. One of the things I love about being Jamaican is that even though we're a small island, almost everyone everywhere knows about us. And what makes today's video a little bit special is that I will look at a new trailer about a Bob Marley film. If you don't know Bob Marley, well, who are you? Where do you live? Under a rock maybe? Anyways, Bob Marley is Jamaica's biggest musical icon. Anyways, I've done a few videos on it, you may simply go here. So, this movie, Bob Marley, was first premiered in Paris on the 1st of February, and it will be premiered in Belgium on the 13th of February. Nonetheless, I've yet to see the trailer, and I'm super excited to see what this movie will be like. So, let's go.
Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom?
Quick pause there. Alright, his voice, I suppose, sounds somewhat similar to Bob Marley's based on what I've heard in songs and videos. He almost looks the part, I suppose. This looks like a regular trailer. Other than the obvious reggae music, I will continue watching it to see what I think.
Are you ready for Bob Marley and the Wailers?
So now that I've heard his voice even better, no, he does not sound like Bob Marley, which is not a bad thing. He's just an actor, and we understand that this is based on a true story. I know a little bit about Bob Marley's real life, so I will see how true it is based on what's being depicted here so far. And what I've seen so far looks vaguely true.
Everyone likes what you're saying. For your own safety, you need to stop.
First of all, I don't know who these kids are. Based on enough Bob Marley's story, these kids weren't there, but it's okay. It's a movie. It won't be 100% factual like a documentary. Now judging his patois, I don't know if this actor is Jamaican. However, his patois, it's pronounceable. However, it's not as authentic as it could be. And it's okay because when you have movies where someone needs to speak Spanish or French and there's not a native speaking, we understand that no one complains, so why should I?
Oh, I can bring peace. I can't even get peace for myself.
Sometimes the messenger has to become the message.
Bob's mom. Nothing.
Bob, I know it's dangerous.
It's gonna be alright. So all in all, it looks like a good trailer. But the fact that you know Bob Marley, I know Bob Marley, I know how this will end, so we have spoilers already. Nonetheless, I am not disappointed. It is a movie. I am, if anything, proud that someone wanted to do a movie about my country, my culture, someone from my country, and I feel almost patriotic, I suppose, in saying that this is amazing. Whether or not the film is true to the finest detail, that is yet to be seen, and well, I don't know because I haven't watched it. And if I suppose to make the film really entertaining, really modern, they will need to change a few things, exaggerate a few things so that it really hooks the audience. However, I will say that based on who Bob Marley is, you don't need much fluffing, you don't need much exaggeration to really sell his story, because people are generally interested based on what they understand of the love people have towards my culture and country and him. But I have realized that there is a new generation who doesn't really know him, and perhaps this film will be their first introduction to him. Anyways, it is an okay trailer. I am simply proud, that is what I'll say, and I simply hope that the film does well. I hope that it has a lot of success and that it brings equal success to my country. Anyways, that is it for today. If you enjoyed this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.
When you write that?
All my life. Don't let them fool you.
That's a hit.
Oh no.
Reggae is the people music.